Soft closed doors. Alright, we got so much stuff back here. Electrical adjustable seats. We have both heated and ventilated seats. Electric sunscreens. Panoramic roof, separately for the rear sunshade. And this example here has the 4-zone climate system, and it has 4 automatic zones. This is pretty sturdy. Oh, and there's one more trick in its sleeve. We have a little tablet here. Good old Samsung tablet. And we also have rear massage function. And this is like pretty real and actual massage. And here we have also the rear wireless phone charger and ski pass-through. Oh my god, the ambient lighting here is the best. Imagine taking a really long road trip on the German Autobahn. Just perfect. Let's see if we can open the tailgate without using the hands. Oh, first time. Yeah, it's pretty consistent. Alright, we got 2 lights here. Not like the E-Class, which had only 1 light here in the middle. And we have tire repair kit and a little power outlet. Yeah, and the ski pass-through in the middle there. You cannot fold the seats down in the S-Class. Alright, let's get going. Oh yeah, let's quickly check out the ambient light settings. Is it? Oh. And yeah, you can choose between monochrome and multicolor settings. Yeah, and this one has also the dynamic ambient light, which means when I change the temperature, you can see those lines. The monochrome seems to be brighter, and yeah, you can also change this brightness and stuff. And it's the demonstrator, so everything is on full blast. Okay, I don't like this pink tone. Oh, this is nice. Alright, let's roll. This one also has the dynamic multi-contour seats, which means when I go to the corner, the seat bolsters will hug me. This is one of the best features ever. This is such a treat. The rear wheel steering also works very nice on the S-Class. I remember the EQE SUV also had this system, and it felt very artificial, or I don't know, kind of strange. It was nice, but still a little bit on the weird side. Oh, this V8 just pulls and pulls, buttery smooth and zero turbo lag. This is perfect. Nothing else to say, just perfection. Check out this moon. Yeah, what can I say? It could be the best car on the market. It's so luxurious, so soft, yet it can handle the corners. Can you see the moon? This is pretty epic. Yeah, this is just perfect. You know what time it is. it's time to check out the acceleration. Let's put it to sport mode. And did it? Oh no. The start stop is. Wait. Yeah, I have to defeat the start stop first. Hit it. Strong pull. And just when you realize you hit 100 kilometers an hour, you can see 110 already.